Why to study Kabbalah? In life of today, the pressure of life is getting bigger and bigger, and without proper knowledge, then the consciousness of the person can drift into a wrong place. In Kabbalah terminology, we are speaking about forces of right, left, and balance, or we can say, according to the emanations that I will explain later on with the videos, about wisdom, understanding, and knowledge. Knowledge in Hebrew means da'at, and when a person have a proper knowledge, then he can relate to life in a proper manner. When we are misguided, then the way that we see things, the way that we think about things, and the way that we talk and react will be wrong, because we were misguided with the wrong knowledge. This is why it's so essential to have the proper knowledge, and that the knowledge will settle inside of us, that we will accept the knowledge. It's not just enough to have information. We need to earn it, and it will settle down. So we are going to go through this process with the study of Kabbalah.